Howdy and welcome to Luis's TT5 prepped E36 M3 sedan. One fact about me that you may or may not know is that I love E36s as they're probably my favorite chassis out of all the 3 Series.
What? You mean the E46 isn't your favorite, Victor?
I know, fight me about it. I love the E46 as it bridges the gap between the newer BMW Comfort and older BMWs when the tagline Ultimate Driving Machine meant something about the actual driving experience. The reason why I love E36s so much is because I'm a JDM car fan and they feel like an old JDM car. They have that charm, but with more comfort. Anyways, let's get to some laps, but before we do, if you like driving fast, and you like cars, and you like driving cars fast, please consider subscribing and liking. Now on to the laps. Active Auto Works exhaust sounds real good. Very comfy. I love these old Beamers, man. Love them. Clear. Okay. All right. Brakes a little high out there. I feel so like reclined in this car. Like I feel like I'm driving in luxury. Like it's pretty nice. Rotates pretty well so far. They were talking about understeer. Oh shit, I forgot. Alright, ASC's off. Oops. Shift in the fourth there, but I feel like I should. I'm going too fast. There we go. Steering wheel makes me feel like I should have tea and crumpets right now. Planned it though, like it's well sorted. See if I can catch my car. Get it to rotate a bit. Nope, it's in there. Okay. Steering's very light. But, I mean, BMW to my right. I feel like I'm driving on top of this car, even though I'm like recessed in it. It's an interesting experience. Very nice and taut, nice and stiff. He planted nicely. I like this car. The thing about E36s is you can make them very docile. Gap. Close some gap. car. It's definitely a different experience than Canoe's E36, but it's still very much within the same vein. It's just smooth. Like, you can drive this car insanely smooth. I will call this the father's M3. Father, can we take the car out on a nice drive to the corner store and maybe get some coffee and crumpets? Sorry, tea and crumpets, whatever. There we go. That's all I wanted to do was just catch up to my car. Tan is driving my car right now. Hey. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I just wanted to pass my car. This is a very smooth, silky, buttery car. Feels so fancy driving it. This is nice, man. I just love E36s. The only thing though, like, if you're expecting drama from these cars, you're not really gonna get any of it, which just shows you how, like, well sorted, well balanced, how neutral, and how planted these chassis are. If you're looking at JDM Hot Boy stuff, you should totally look at an E36. Very well engineered. Yeah, but this TT5 car, this is a really good setup. It is understeery and really can't rotate it that much. I mean, I was trying the brakes. I don't think I got full threshold, but definitely did. Didn't see Yusef behind me. He just like caught up real quick. There he goes. Yeah, no, I mean, like, getting it to rotate, it's kind of tough. Once you're in your set, in your corner, you're in the set. Like, you got to commit. It's one thing is, like, mid-corner, you can't really make adjustments with this car. You have to, like, make sure your line is perfectly good through there. But I mean, overall, this is an awesome car. Very smooth, very chill. Luis runs like 124s out here, which is very fast. 124 is fast. It really is. The only thing is, this car masks it so well. The sense of speed, like it does what new BMWs do and kind of masks the speed a little bit, like, just because it's very docile. I'm shocked at how, like, chill this car is. Fantastic car though. Hell yeah. M cars, they just do it for me.
Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and call it right here. Luis's E36 is probably the most comfortable track car I've ever driven, and that's a weird thing to say, but it's true. Track car and comfort aren't typically synonymous, but there you go, we found the formula. I cannot stress enough the fact that if you are looking at an old JDM car of the 90s era, like an S13 or S14, you should really consider an E36 because the chassis dynamics are great. Seriously, go Google the engine bay of an E36 and S chassis back to back and look where the strut towers are. Yes, the E36 has a longer engine with a straight 6, but the strut towers are nicely placed for good balance, especially if you engine swap them with something like a K-Series or an LS. On top of that, the E36s are not too terribly hard to work on at all. In fact, I find it easier to work on, and parts are abundantly available, so they're cheap to maintain. At the end of the day, it's your life, your decision, so get what speaks to you the most. Anyways, that's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching this far. Again, please consider liking and subscribing, and until next time, bye!